I want you to throw everything that you've learned about a cover letter up until this point out the window. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a modern cover letter that is going to get you in with your dream companies. Now, this video is not for everybody. It's for people that are determined to land amazing jobs and are tired of doing things the old way. Because what I'm going to show you today is how to build a modern cover letter that's going to make you stand out from the masses of job seekers, and it's not going to be using the outdated techniques that you have been taught about a cover letter. I'm going to teach you proven steps and strategies so that you can stand out, ultimately land your dream job. The approach that we're going to take is looking at how to avoid these extreme cover letter mistakes and what to do instead. Let's get started. But first, for all the guidance you need to get hired, subscribe to my channel. I post weekly content, advice, techniques, and tips to help you on your journey towards landing that dream job. Click that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. I don't want you to miss a beat. Now, as a career coach, I help job seekers overcome the hurdles of landing a job, but I am also a hiring manager. So I am on the opposite side, screening candidates for roles as well. Let me tell you, there is nothing worse than a badly written, boring cover letter. Those get tossed quicker than the resume gets tossed. In this video, I want to show you some things to avoid when writing a cover letter, but I also want to show you the number one thing that you absolutely must remember when writing a cover letter. So on the one hand, your resume shows the hiring manager that you are a good fit based on your skills and experience. On the other hand, your cover letter should show that you are a good cultural fit for the company. So they serve two completely different roles. Resume shows that your skills and experience are a good fit for what the job is requiring, what is on the job description. But your cover letter that accompanies your resume should show that you are a good cultural fit for the company. So from here forward, when you get ready to write a cover letter, I want you to think about cultural fit. What is the culture of a company? It is the vision, the mission, the core values that make up the company's DNA, how they do things, their work environment. All of this makes up the culture of a company. And when an employer is hiring, they're not just looking for candidates that fit the job description, right? Not just ticking boxes to show that, yes, you fit the skills, yes, your experience matches what they're looking for, but ultimately, they want whoever they're bringing into their company to match the DNA of the company. They want whoever they're bringing in to fit culturally as well. And your cover letter is where you portray this. So when you are writing your cover letter, you want the person reading it to picture you in their environment, to see that you are a good cultural fit. Now, with that in mind, let us look at the extreme cover letter mistakes that you must avoid at all costs if you want to build a winning cover letter. The first is restating your resume. Your cover letter is not the place where you want to explain what is already on your resume. Your resume should do a good job of that already. Your cover letter is simply there to highlight certain areas that show that your personality and your values fit in with the company culture of the role that you're applying for. Number two, focusing too much on what you can do versus how you can add value and fit in with their culture. Employer doesn't just want to know what you can do. They want to know how you can add value and how that value can fit in with their company culture. The third, using to whom it may concern instead of addressing the hiring manager directly. And if you can't find that information, using Dear Hiring Team instead. The fourth, not including a call to action. A great cover letter must end with a call to action. This call to action tells the person reading what steps you want them to take after reading your cover letter. So, tell them your availability for an interview or provide your contact information so that they can contact you directly to speak with you further. Always include a good call to action. Number 5, and if you are not doing this, you are missing out on a secret weapon. not including a PS. The PS is so powerful. Think about it. At the end of the letter or at the end of an email, the PS is that last little line that you can give to the employer that tells them one extra thing or gives them one tad bit of information that can help them make a further decision. Use this PS. It is a modern cover letter trick and hack that not many people are using, and that is surely going to make you stand out in your cover letter. And so, to recap, make sure that your cover letter shows that you are a great cultural fit for the company. Do your research on the company. Speak to current employees. Ask them about what the culture is like. Research online. And through your cover letter, effectively portray that not only are you the best candidate for the role because you can add value, but more importantly, you fit with the DNA of their company. Show that you're a great cultural fit, and you for sure will be getting hiring managers ringing up your phone. The cover letter is just one part of the larger puzzle of landing your dream job. I want to help you learn all the steps and strategies to be a standout candidate. So I want you to download my free guide, the Standout Candidate Toolkit. In there, I lay out strategies and tips to help you stand out from the masses of applicants, get noticed by employers, and most importantly, get hired. A link to the free download is in the description of this video. If you found this video useful, give it a like, comment below any questions you have relating to the cover letter or any other job search question that you have. I'll be in the comments answering them. Be sure to hit subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.